Hi everybody, welcome back. Well, we know that Tony's mouth is on fire and his stomach is also starting to feel really uncomfortable, so it doesn't feel right. Tina says, hey, I'm getting pretty full, and she wants to go to Haagen-Dazs, which is a store that sells ice cream, to get some ice cream for dessert. He says, okay, let me just go and pay the bill first. A bill is a piece of paper that lists everything that you've bought and the money that you must owe or pay to whatever company you're doing business with. Every month I get a telephone bill. It tells me how much I spent on phone calls, and I have to pay that money I owe. Well, they've eaten at the hot pot restaurant, and they have to pay for the food that they've eaten.
Well, remember, Tony's having some problems with this food. He did not want to have this spicy hot pot in the first place, and now he's starting to have a stomach ache. Just like if you work too hard, you might get a headache. Well, if you eat too much or if you eat food that your body doesn't really like, you will probably get a stomach ache. And he's afraid something even worse might happen. I'll give you a hint here. It's something like a volcano. Okay, well, Tina's asking him, what's wrong? What's the problem? Because he probably looks fairly uncomfortable because he has this stomach ache. And then he goes on to say, well, on second thought, why don't you take this money and go pay the bill? So if you reconsider something, if you change your mind, you can say this. Well, on second thought, I think I'll do this. For example, I could say, I was going to have pizza for lunch, but pizza is very fattening. So on second thought, I think I'll have a salad instead.
Well, on second thought is our sentence for you. Let's take a closer look.
Sentence for you.
On second thought.
Are you ready to go to the movie yet?
Actually, on second thought, I don't really feel like it. Let's go to the park instead.
That sounds nice. It's a beautiful sunny day.
It is. So, are you sure you want to wear that heavy sweater?
On second thought, I think I'll go and change. Do you still want to eat dinner in the restaurant?
On second thought, why don't we take a picnic to the park? We can save time and money.
Okay, so Tony decides to give the money to Tina to pay the bill, so he won't pay it. I guess he's going to be busy doing something else.
Oh, yeah. Well, he says he'll be back in just a minute, and he kind of rushes off, and Tina goes, Tony? She doesn't know what's wrong yet. Well, you know where Tony's going. He's rushing to the toilet, so he's going as fast as he can. Now, our listeners probably have guessed what's happening at this point. But, Tom, I understand you have a sound effect which will help them understand what he's doing in the bathroom.
You're going to make me do this sound effect?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, well, a volcano probably doesn't sound like this, but if you go to the bathroom, you might get a sound like this. And now we know exactly why Tony did not want to order the spicy hot pot.
Yeah, he has something called diarrhea. So if your stomach doesn't like what you eat, that food goes through your body very quickly and out. Your body wants it out of its system. Well, poor Tony's in the bathroom right now. That's what he gets when he eats spicy food. If that's your problem, stay away from spicy food. Okay, everybody, it's time for our Chinese teacher again.